Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath it is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch wheels. The tires are in good condition. A silk beige MB Tex interior with a natural grain walnut wood trim, panorama sunroof, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, blind spot assist, heated seats, memory seats. Hop in and we've got our touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, a 10.25 touchscreen display, rear view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, touchpad for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, our different parking cameras. This GLC has 6,991 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.